Perplexity isn't just a search box anymore. It's a research engine, a free AI browser if you want, and it even pays websites for being mentioned, whether anyone clicks or not. Now, that last part alone is worth understanding. Let me show you the real ways to make money with it in 2026. Perplexity. Let's go. Now, one quick update because it's changed a lot. Perplexity used to be an AI search tool. Now it's three things: a search and research engine with sourced, cited answers. Comet, a full AI browser that's completely free, that reads pages and does tasks for you. And Deep Research, a feature that digs through 100+ sources and now hands you a finished report, slides, or spreadsheet, not just a wall of text. The pricing is simple. Free tier covers the basics. Pro is $20 a month. If you take the monthly version, it's going to be $17 a month if you bill it annually, with unlimited search and daily deep research. And Comet, the free browser, it's entirely free now. There is education plan here, which is going to give you Education Pro for $9 if you bill annually. And there's, of course, these business variants, but we're not going to mention them today. So that's the toolkit. Now let's talk about turning that into money. 4 real ways. Now the first way, and it's the most straightforward, you can sell research. Here's the shift that makes this good. Deep Research doesn't just answer question anymore. It searches dozens of times, reads full articles, checks the data against itself, and builds an actual deliverable, a report, a slide deck, even a simple dashboard. That used to take a human analyst days. So you sell that. Market research for a small business. People are already doing this by hand. You can make competitor breakdown for a startup, due diligence on an industry before someone invests in it. You point Deep Research at the question, it does the digging, and you review it. You tighten it up, and you hand over something polished. Now, real numbers here. Freelance research deliverables using this method go for $200 to $2,000 each. You can undercut people on Fiverr, of course. These are all doing it by hand. For example, if this is the real one, this is maybe the most serious one. It will all depend on the depth and its scales. Some people run this as an ongoing monthly research retainers for small companies who need to stay current on their market. So where to find these clients? Startup founders, small agencies, anyone making a decision who doesn't have time to dig. Make one great sample report on a topic you know. Just show it around and let it speak for itself. You're not selling like, I use an AI to do this. You're selling a clear sourced answer to a real question, and that's worth paying for. And once a client sees the value once, they come back. Markets shift, competitors change, and businesses need fresh research every month, not just once. That's how a single report turns into a standing client who pays you on repeat. Now, the second way is to teach people how to actually use it well. Most people barely scratch the surface of what Perplexity and Comet can do. Comet alone has built-in shortcuts most users never touch. Type in a / command, can summarize a page, check facts, or even compare a job posting against your resume automatically. Most people don't know that exists. So teach it. Corporate teams want their staff doing research faster. You run a short workshop showing them exactly how. The shortcuts, the research tricks, the browser automations, these pay $1,500 to $5,000 per session, one afternoon, real money. Now, a smaller version of this can be tutorials for regular people. You can make short videos or simple guides showing how I use Perplexity to write faster, for example, or the Comet shortcuts nobody uses. These build an audience, and that audience is exactly who you point at the next way. Now, the third way, and I need to be honest with you here because a lot of old info floating around is now wrong. Perplexity used to run a referral program that paid you for every friend who upgraded. That program ended in late 2025. If you see an old video promising that, it's outdated. What's live now is a proper affiliate program run through a platform called Dub. You get a tracked link, and you earn a commission when someone signs up for Perplexity Pro or Comet Pro through it. It's free to join, and payouts are handled cleanly through the dashboard. Now, the honest take, this isn't huge money per referral. It works best stacked on top of content you're already making. A comparison article, like Best AI Tools post, a tutorial video with your link in the description. It's a nice layer of income on top of the other three. This is not a business by itself. So yeah, it's a small one, but still a good one. Now the fourth way, and this is the one almost nobody's talking about. If you publish content, Perplexity might already owe you money. And here's how it works. Perplexity launched something called Comet Plus. It shares real revenue with publishers, not just when someone clicks through your site, but even when Perplexity simply cites your content in an AI answer and nobody clicks at all. Now that's new. Under the old model, a citation with no click earned a publisher nothing. Now it counts. The pool paying this out is tens of millions of dollars, split across thousands of enrolled publishers, and it grows as Perplexity grows. The split favors the publisher too. 80% goes to you, only 20% stays with the platform. And that beats most affiliate networks. So if you run a blog, a niche website, or publish articles anywhere with some real information in them, this is worth checking out. You enroll your site, and every time your content gets cited, clicked or not, it adds to your share of the pool. Now, the practical step is simple. Go look up Comet Plus, check if your site qualifies, and enroll it. It costs nothing to check, and if you've been publishing content for years, you might already be owed a slice of that pool without knowing it. This is quiet money most creators don't even know exists yet. Worth 5 minutes to go look into. Now, I'm going to be straight with you like always. None of these four make you rich overnight. The research service pays the most per hour, but you have to find clients. The teaching angle pays well, but needs you to actually know the tool deeply. The affiliate link is a nice extra, not a living, and the publisher payout only works if you're already publishing real content. Now, the pattern across all four, well, Perplexity isn't the product you sell. It is the engine behind something you sell. A report, a lesson, a referral, or your own published work. Same as any tool. The money is in what you build with it, not the subscription itself. And here's a smart move once you're going. Just stack them. Publish the tutorials that teach the tool. Put your affiliate link underneath and use the same expertise to land research clients. One skill, 4 income streams, all feeding each other. Just pick the one that fits what you're already doing. Don't start from zero on all four. So that is the real picture in 2026. Sell research, teach the tool, add the affiliate link, and check if you're owed citation money already. Just pick one, all right? Make one example. Show it to one person. And that's how this starts. If you think this is for you, just go ahead and start it right away. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.